Annabelle, can you say some words for Mommy? Alright, ready? Say careful.
Careful.
Can you say cat?
Cat.
Can you say cookie?
Cookie.
Can you say cow?
Cow.
Can you say candy?
Candy.
Can you say chin?
There.
Where's your chin? Can you say crying?
Wee.
Can you say coat?
Ooh.
Can you say color?
Ooh.
Where's your colors? Can you show me where your colors are? Oh, you're one crying girl. Can you say coat?
Coat.
Can you say color?
I do.
Can you say car?
Car.
Can you say chair?
Yeah.
You're a good girl. Do you want some fruit snacks?
Yeah. Candy.
Candy.
I want candy.
You want candy? Do you need help opening it?
Yes.
All right. Where are you going? What do you want? Crying for candy? Oh no, the bag's breaking. How do you ask, sweetheart? Yeah, the bag is breaking. The bag is breaking. M&M's? Is that what you want? All right, what did you get? What'd you get?
Yay!
What is it? Show Mom.
Kiss!
It's a kiss.